Hey guys, it's Drew Mead from MarineMax. Bald Ridge Marina on Lake Lanier. I'm standing on a 2024 brand new Sea Ray 350 SLX. This boat is an awesome all-day entertainer, family boat, fun in the sun, water sports, all of it. So starting here on the transom, you have a large seating area, plenty of room for hanging out, submersible swim platform. My favorite thing to do, chill back here with the swim platform down. Everybody's swimming. Great entertainment spot. You have plenty of room. This thing's got little latches here for tying down your lily pads, your oversized tubes, any of the water gear you need. So follow me into the cockpit and we will check it out. So the 350 SLX has a wonderful L-shaped seating. Back here in the back, above me is an extendable sunshade. So back of the boat, fully shaded if you want it to, or you can leave it in the retracted position. Over here on the starboard side is a summer kitchen. You have an electric Kenyan grill, refrigerator, freezer combo, sink prep station, trash can, and everything you need for a great entertaining day. The boat is pre-wired for a television, so you have an outlet here. You can mount a TV right here for game days, hanging out, entertaining. It's just an awesome space. There's also a a table that plugs in right here. So you can sit around the table, watch the TV, cook, eat, entertain, have a great time. So moving up here to the helm station. The boat is equipped with two Simrad multifunction displays. The way I have it set up right now is in a split screen configuration on the starboard side. So you have your chart plotter, your depth sounder, and on the port side is all of your engine data. So everything you could possibly need when operating the boat's right here at your fingertips. The boat is also equipped with a digital throttle and shift. So you have push to start, that will sequentially fire both engines. My favorite feature, the joystick piloting. So give you complete control when you're docking or undocking, pulling up to an unfamiliar restaurant slip or something like that. The joystick's amazing. Another side effect of having that joystick is skyhook. So let's say I need to leave the helm for a second, use the restroom, make a drink. I can press the skyhook button. GPS will spot hold your position, take over using the throttle and shifters, and maintain the boat's position until you can safely return to the helm. So I love using skyhook. I'll use it when I'm prepping my dock lines and fenders, if I'm boating by myself. It's just a really nice feature, a really great way to tell the boat to stay put and not have to set an anchor. Moving over to the port side, one of my favorite features about 350 SLX is the little cabin it has. This is a great space that's air conditioned. The air conditioning runs off of a 12-volt bank of batteries, so no noisy generator. If you guys are hanging out, having a great time, but somebody needs to get out of the sun for a minute, this is an awesome spot to do so. There's also a TV mounted down there, so if someone just needs to chill or if you got bad weather, awesome spot to get in a little climate control, check out the TV, do whatever you got to do. This is the head compartment. This floor latch pops up and makes a stair step down in there so nobody's got to crouch. Full-size vanity, bathroom, vacuum flush head. Up forward is another entertainment area. You have the option for these two tables. They can be stored, you can take them away, and there's a full filler cushion to be put in place here where you can make this one big sunbed, or you can have it set up in the dueling table scenario where you can, that we're showing it right now. The boat is also equipped with a windlass. This is controllable from the front with your remote control. It's also controllable from the helm, so you can either operate it up here at the bow or back at the helm station. You also have a freshwater rinse down matched right here next to the windlass. And if you notice these small silver fixtures here, that's for a bow sunshade. So there's poles that plug in on all four corners of the bow, so you can have your aft sunshade and your bow sunshade deployed. Just tons of configurable seating on this boat. It's awesome. If you guys want to come check out the brand new 2024 Sea Ray 350 SLX, come see us at Bald Ridge Marina on Lake Lanier.